Who are you? Why are you calling me and who are you? I don't know you. How'd you get my number? Why are you calling me? All right, this one right here is kind of weird, but it's very easy to overcome. So if you get the objections of who are you or what's your company name, who do you work for, things like that, we can just do what's called assumption. We're going to assume that they are actually wanting to talk to somebody that's in a very big or large operation or corporation. We're just going to ask them the question. Hey, this is a very common question. Normally when I get asked this, it's because people are looking to do business with a very large company to sell. Is that the case here? That's it. Drop your mic, walk away. Because we're putting them in a position where now we are assuming that they only want to do business with the hedge funds or Zillow or all these other big corporations that are not us. And because we're doing that, we're expecting them to say, no, not at all. And then they're going to have a conversation with them. What company do you work for? Hey, I completely understand. It sounds like you're looking to work with a company. Honestly, though, we're not really a company. It's just me and my partner, and we buy and sell real estate just like yours. Is that an issue for you? Simple reverse, right? I acknowledged her. I explained it a little bit with a reverse or a repeat, and then I reversed. I want your company's name. Who are you? I want your company's name, like right now. Hey, I'm sorry. It sounds like I might have offended you. Let me know what I did to offend you. That way I can make it right. Is by me not being part of a company, is that a problem for you? And I gave you a couple of different scenarios. Honestly, take my word for this. The very first one is going to be the only one you will ever need as long as you deliver it right. And when you deliver it, you need to put tonality and emotion into it and put them in the position where they want to do business with Walmart, right? So hopefully this helps.